Ooh, what a mess. Okay, this may look like total chaos, but we're going to put all of this into this little blue box because it's time to pack up the electronics kit. That's right. Okay, let's get started. Let's say you've just used everything, thrown it all out, crazy, this exact scenario. The first thing to do is to put these little blue dividers back into the case. You may notice that they're kind of curved on one edge and right angled on the other. The curved side goes down into the case. Okay, let's take care of some of the bigger pieces first. This is our LCD screen right over there. A breakout power supply for the breadboard. We'll put that in there too. The motor, DC, I'm not sure. The propeller that accompanies the motor, also over there. Let's see if there's anything else that goes over in that section. Maybe this one? Yeah, okay. This is the Rotary Encoder. We'll put that over there. And I think there's a potentiometer. Okay, here's our potentiometer. That goes right in there too. Now, I think I got everything that goes over there. So let's move on to the little smart pieces. These are the integrated circuits. These little kind of insect-like things. Integrated circuit. Another integrated circuit. By the way, these are called ICs for short. So here's another IC. And there's a cool white one in here. Yeah! One more integrated circuit. And I think that gets them all. We're going to put those right there. The 7-segment LED displays right there. There are 2 of those. This is the second one. There's an 8x8 LED dot matrix display. Maybe it's just matrix display. I don't know if it's a dot matrix. I mean, they are dots though. So yeah, anyway. This is a super cool relay. Here we have an accelerometer gyroscope. What's it say? Anyway, that goes with the other smart tech. And then this one says remove seal after washing. Well, I never really washed it, so it's okay. Don't worry about this. This is a microphone or a speaker, depending on how you want to use it. I think mostly as a speaker. Okay, what else we got here? Oh, I found another integrated circuit. It's got some weird stuff on it. Get out of here. Okay, so you're probably like, that wasn't so bad, but what about all these little things? The resistors, the capacitors, the diode, these teeny tiny switches. Well, oh, and also the LEDs. The LEDs too. These bits are so fiddly, and repeated use of them, you know, if you bend this little transistor's legs back and forth and you're jamming it into a breadboard all day, it's not really designed to hold up over that much abuse. So we don't need them back. You know, add these to your private collection or throw them away, but it's too much of a hassle for us to deal with those. So these are just out of here. I'm going over there, brother. We're going over. Let's get them out of here. As much as they can be. I'm just not going to throw them on the floor or anything. Okay. So the other thing that's a bit of a disaster might be your wires, your little patch cables, pin connectors, whatever. Okay, so grab as many as you can in a handful and just jam them in here. Boop, boop, boop. These little doodads also, jam them right in there. The 9-volt battery adapter that you can power your breadboard off of with a little battery. This crazy thing, no one needs this. No one needs this, I'm just telling you. It's in the kit. If you're using it, that's cool, but I would never use something like this. Anyway, it's in the kit. And then here is our big ribbon cable connector. Just mush that stuff in there, and then take this your breakout board for the ribbon cable and put it in there. Yeah, like a big T. Sorry, we're going to figure this out together. Okay, a big upside down T. And then close it up. Wait a second, don't close it just yet. What are you, crazy? Oh my gosh. Nothing in that, that's totally empty. Don't forget to put the postcard that has the pinout for the GPIO pins. I love these postcards, you know. I worked a lot with Teensy and Arduino, and I just spent so much time switching between tabs, programming Alt-Tab just to check what the pins were. And I love having something that isn't on the computer monitor where I can just be like, what's pin 15 do? And then it just tells me. So please don't lose that card, because I really like those cards and I like to imagine other people use them and enjoy them too. So we've sealed it up, and then you just close that, and that's the electronics kit ready to ship back.